Another vandalism case where tombstones were damaged in Columbia County is headed to trial. The suspect in court today, and so were the people who take care of the cemetery. Newswatch 16's Kenna Vernon, live tonight from the Central Pennsylvania newsroom. Kenna?
Marisa, investigators say back in December, more than 60 tombstones were toppled in the Oddfellow Cemetery in Centralia. Police tell Newswatch 16 David Pavlovsky is one of the people responsible for the vandalism, and that's why he was in court today. This is 19-year-old David Pavlovsky of Wilburton walking into district court in Catawissa. Pavlovsky is charged with vandalizing the Oddfellow Cemetery in Centralia. He gave up his right to a hearing, and now his case will head to trial. Cathy Welker, one of the caretakers of the cemetery, was at the hearing.
We could not believe it, and I still don't believe that it was 3 or 4 kids. I just can't believe that much damage, especially some of them being girls.
Investigators say back in December, Pavlovsky and 3 teenage girls toppled 64 tombstones. Those teens also face charges. There's about $8,300 of damage here at the cemetery, and some of the tombstones are more than 100 years old and beyond repair. The First United Methodist Church in Mount Carmel took over the cemetery back in 1985. Members say they do have insurance and hope it will cover some of the cost of the vandalism.
And obviously we're not going to be able to replace them exactly the way they were because those type are no longer made.
Pauline Getty helps take care of the cemetery. Getty also has family members buried there.
My husband's grandparents and our niece and nephew are buried up there. But a lot of the Centralia people that are buried there, we were friends of. It was a very, very heart, wrenching to see something like that.
Pavlovsky's case will go to Columbia County Court, and the 3 teenage girls will be sent to juvenile court. Kenna Vernon, Newswatch 16, live here in the Central Pennsylvania newsroom.